5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're working on weathering, erosion, and deposition. Today's activity, which was we took sugar cubes that were supposed to model rocks that were also at the top of a mountain, and they were rolling down, and they would end at the bottom of the mountain.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Our class gets really excited really easily, which I love that a lot too. And our class does all these really fun projects and stuff. A lot of it is science.
They get smaller every time they fall. And then at the end, the sugar is supposed to be the sand.
At the end, we learned that rocks can change their shape from the beginning. The end, they just become like weird shapes.
They could start to split apart or erode. Okay, that's great.
I think it just helps them retain the information better. Just watching something, not everyone's just a visual or an audio learner. A lot of kids are kinesthetic learners, so I feel like if they actually get to do the experiment, they will remember it better.
I do like watching the videos and reading about it, but doing it is way more fun. We love science.